A Liberian-flagged oil tanker has been struck by an exploding drone off the coast of Oman. The vessel is operated by Singapore-based Eastern Pacific Shipping. The company is owned by Israeli billionaire Idan Ofer. It reported only minor damage to the vessel's hull and says there was no spillage of cargo or injuries among the crew. Well, Captain Zarir Irani is chairman of Constellation Marine Services, a ship and marine consultant and surveyor. He joins us from Dubai. Thank you so much for being on this news hour. Can you just bring us up to speed? What more do we know about this tanker and the route that it was taking? Can you hear me, sir? Captain, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, good. What more can you tell us about the ship and the route that it was taking?
Yes, the ship was heading in the southeast direction, fully laden with diesel oil, heading to South American port while this incident occurred.
Okay, and just how destabilising is this incident for maritime activity in the area? Obviously, a very busy shipping lane.
Yes, it is a very busy shipping lane, but she was out of the Gulf of Oman on her way southeast bound. It is a busy area, but it is quite open waters, and it is heavily monitored by the coalition force naval vessels.
And how unusual is something like this?
Very unusual. Every merchant vessel has a right of innocent passage, and it is contradictory to the international maritime law that a vessel is intercepted like this by an unmanned device, aerial device.
After the strike, can you explain what would have happened on board and how the authorities responded?
Yes, what happens is when something unusual en route happens, the first thing is that the master of the vessel has to log the incident down, has to make a quick damage assessment, call emergency stations, and report the incident to the Flag and Classification Society along with their managers.
Okay, the company reported only minor damage to the vessel's hull. Is that unusual as well?
Well, it all depends on where this attack happens. Usually the structure of these vessels, which carry diesel and product cargo, volatile cargo, are pretty well protected. Usually, as per international law, most vessels are double-hulled for unfortunate incidents like these, particularly hull breach. So there is enough safety built into the structure of the vessel any which ways.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time and your insight. That is Captain Zarir Irani of Constellation Marine Services.